Mine was an arranged marriage, but it wasn't a typical one. I'll tell you all about that, but when I'm showing you what my mom made for my in-laws when they came to see me for the first time. So I got lucky because my husband turned out to be very sweet. But my advice to you is that if you are going for an arranged marriage, be careful. Spend some time, get to know each other, enjoy that courtship period and enjoy the moment. So the marriage worked out fine. Well, 13 years into marriage, touch wood, we're doing good. लेकिन जो pre-marriage ceremony थी ना, वो लड़की देखने वाला scene and all, it happened in a typical filmy style. My in-laws came to see me. My mother was excited, rather overexcited. And when I said, let me help you with the chai nashta, she refused. She actually didn't trust me with the food. Can you believe it? But anyway, I didn't complain. Quite honestly, I wasn't too keen on going ahead with this whole arranged marriage system. I thought it won't work out. But it just so happened that I fell in love with my in-laws when I met them. They were just so cool. So well, these memories will go on. First, let's get on with this recipe. मैंने पहले ही तवे में थोड़ा तेल डाल के रखा है, hot तवे पे. And now I'm going to saute some onions in it. These onions are finely sliced, as you can see, and I'm going to add them to our hot oil. So very easy recipes. Just finely sliced onions. We're going to saute them. Okay, lovely. See, onions are getting a nice color. Okay. And now, my mom always used to like to add something little healthy in any dish that she prepared. No matter how sinful, no matter how exciting, yet a little bit of that health factor, which I am following through, by the way, all the time. So a little bit of capsicum was added. It also gives a nice flavor and adds that little touch of extra vitamins that are always welcome. I'm going to add this capsicum. इसका जो white part है ये निकाल देंगे. Fine julienne. Now we're going to add some seasoning and some spices, and my mom used to love making it a little Chinese style. So I don't know where she got this recipe, but she loved to add, these green chili sauce, tomato ketchup. It just gave a very fun taste, very exciting taste. And added that little zing to our kathi roll. So actually, तो बड़ा Indian style का kathi roll होता है, but our kathi rolls is a bit Chinese style. The Indian Chinese style. A dash of soya sauce. Well, in our family, we all loved spicy flavor. Okay, so Mama used to love adding some green chilies, which I have done too, but you can avoid it if you don't want it. Now we are going to add chicken to this. Boneless strips of chicken. These are a little too long, so I'm going to cut it 1 into 2 and add it to our pan. जब मेरे in-laws ने इसे खाया, they loved it. They absolutely loved it. Besides the fact that they love me, finally I think I agreed to the whole marriage thingy, even though it was arranged, because I always wanted to live in a joint family. You see, puri zindagi, it was always me and my mom. My brothers were out studying. So somewhere I think I had that need to have a lot of people around me. In fact, a lot of my friends, they're like, how can you live with your mother-in-law, father-in-law? And I'm telling them, how can I live without them? Because sincere advice to most people would be that if you have good in-laws, try and live with them, because the kind of values you can imbibe into your own children. My son today has a grandmother, grandfather, mama, dada, everyone at home. I can work so easily because I know they're there to look after them. I mean, staff तो सबके पास होता है, but जो parents का प्यार होता है, जो दादी दादू का प्यार होता है, वो तो अलग ही होता है ना. This is just the way I feel. Alright, now last but not the least, in the chicken, our salt. Okay, now we are just going to let this chicken cook. Now our masala is ready. Let's get the rolls ready. Okay, अब हम लेंगे आटा जो सबके घर में रहता है, right? Nice, fresh, घर का आटा. I've got some loose atta here. Just going to dust the counter a bit with it. chicken. Can you hear the sizzle of the chicken? That's what we want. The moment it starts sizzling like that, we know it's ready. अब हम इसे बेल लेंगे. It's so funny. जब मैंने रोटियां बनानी सीखी थी, I just couldn't get the round. Well, I don't think I can still get it. Somehow the nice round shape which our mothers can get, I can't get. But I manage. Somehow manage. Little bit of a टेढ़ा मेढ़ा round, but I manage. अब इसमें हम लगाएंगे थोड़ा सा घी. इसे फोल्ड करके. So now we have this nice square. And we'll below it out. बहुत छोटा भी पराठा नहीं होना चाहिए because we're going to put the stuffing in, then roll it up, then cut it and serve. So we need a little bigger paratha for all of this. I think this is perfect. I think the chicken is nicely done. Okay, let me check the seasoning now. It's nice and hot and spicy. I'm loving it. Chale dekhe. Tawa is ready, and it is. When you feel that little heat on your cheek, your face is a sensitive part, right? The moment you feel that heat, you know that your tawa is. Now we're going to flip it. Now we're going to take a bowl and break 2 eggs in this. And we're just going to beat this. Add a dash of salt. Bit of red chili powder just for the color. Okay, because already we have enough spice. So this is that Kashmiri mirch which just gives a beautiful color to our eggs. There you go. All right, our parathas are ready almost. We're going to flip it and add some nice ghee to this. Gives it a nice color on both the sides. So it works out well. Ah, look at this beautiful color. My mom would say, but I sona color hai. Okay, so the paratha is ready. अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब ये जो फेंटा हुआ अंडा है, उसे हम पराठों के ऊपर डालेंगे. So with the help of a spoon, spread it gently all along. And then very gently, we are going to flip this paratha. There. Beautiful. अंडे को तो पकने में बहुत कम टाइम लगता है. So it's just going to be done in a bit, and then we are going to do the final assembly. This is done. Now with the help of a spoon, हम इसमें ये चिकन का मसाला डालेंगे. And what we're going to do is, हम ना थोड़े से साइड में डालेंगे. I'll explain the reason why. That helps in rolling the kathi better. Push it in. Can you see that? When you push it in, it's nice and tight. So here you go. The roll is ready. Now we are going to cut this gently and in bite sizes that can be easily picked and eaten. Well, I wish my in-laws were not so camera shy, and I would have introduced you to them and fed this to them while you watch them eat. But फिलहाल मैं इसे खाऊंगी और enjoy करूंगी. But in the next episode, I'm going to show you how you can win your loved one's heart with food. Like, subscribe and share. Being Amrita.